Why learn holistic EFT tapping emotional freedom techniques? What are its benefits? Hi, I'm Phillip Mountrose. My wife and partner Jane and we help people to step up and tap into heart and soul healing and coaching. And in this short video, I want to explain some of the benefits of going further with your EFT understanding training to help yourself and other people, both personally and maybe professionally as well. Emotional freedom techniques. We've been offering this training since 2004, some certification and written and done many things with it with different people. And who wants to train on EFT? Who wants to go further into it? Well, it seems like people from all walks of life with their own reasons. It could be coaches and healers and therapists, social workers. It could be educators. It could be homemakers, business people, self-taught learners, all kinds of people who want to go further, learn how to heal, learn more about themselves and other people and how to relate and have emotional freedom, like the title of the method says. So there are many ways, many reasons to go further. And let me just share what one person says about how they got into it, how they went a little further in EFT. I was introduced to EFT tapping at the telesummits, which was a good basic introduction, but I wanted to go further. I'm so glad I took the Awakenings Holistic EFT certification course, since it took me so much deeper. I now feel well-rounded, competent, and confident. I really know how to use holistic EFT to work with the subconscious at a deeper level and clear what is really needed. Carolyn Garner, holistic practitioner and sales. And by the way, Awakenings Institute is our nonprofit organization that we help teach people about healing and coaching and going further, more self-awareness and purpose and meaning and fulfillment in life. So what are some of the reasons, the benefits? Why train? Why get certified? Like in a home study, online certification, EFT, emotional freedom technique, tapping course. And we talk about holistically because we offer and believe in a more holistic body, mind, spirit approach, by the way. So one of the benefits is it's very versatile. It's a very versatile, easy to use healing method, the basics of it. The basics of it, you can learn the tapping technique in about an hour or so. It's quite easy to learn. To master it and go deeper, though, is something you could spend really a lifetime on, or at least some time on, to really get familiar and competent on it. So it's easy to use. That's one benefit, and it's very versatile. You can use it on all kinds of things, emotional problems, sometimes physical problems. A wide variety of people have done it on phobias and addictions and fears and doubts and post-traumatic stress, and the list goes on. It's also something that you can build your confidence in life with. So you become more competent in a healing method, simple one like EFT, and learn how to go deeper and more masterful in a holistic approach. And if you are more competent, you become more confident. The two link together naturally. So it's going to build your competence and then confidence in healing, coaching, life in general, and being able to relate to other people and feel better about yourself. And also a benefit is learning a proven holistic approach. We have what we call the getting through techniques, which help you go deeper into EFT. So you get to the core issue, and that makes your healing deeper and more complete and more integrated. So just to give you an example, one of our processes we call the holistic process, where you quickly target the body and the emotions and the thoughts and the spiritual element. They're all connected. For example, a lady I was helping train, she had a sore wrist, and asking her about that, emotionally exploring that very quickly, she realized she was anxious when she connected with her wrist pain. And then thinking thoughts connected with that, she was anxious about going back out in the workforce and being successful. So that's a thought, a mental. And spiritually, she was wondering, she was doubting herself. She was questioning herself sort of as a human being, as we do when we get into these deeper issues at times, although they can manifest as physical or emotional things that we don't know the core of. But learning a holistic technique like that one that you would learn in the holistic EFT training is very helpful, very versatile, and it can be a real lifesaver in terms of time and energy and awareness. So those are some of the key benefits of a versatile technique that is wide-ranging, something that's easy to learn. You can learn it also at your own rate. It will build your confidence and competence, and you have a holistic approach, a body, mind, spirit approach on all levels. So here's where you can go for more information, tinyurl.com, EFT certify. We have many people telling us how much they've gotten out of EFT in this training all the time. And here's a couple that we posted on our website where you can enroll in this EFT course. Angel Boudreau, a crisis intervention counselor from Canada, said, I found EFT and the GTT getting through techniques to be simple, comprehensive, and detailed procedures in this course. I now offer this mode to all my clients. The outcome from using these techniques is phenomenal, and the wonder of it all is what the clients receive, a future filled with hope, harmony, happiness, and freedom. And in concluding, one more testimony of a business person, Sabina Neal in Florida, who wrote after completing the course, as she compares EFT and GTT, the getting through techniques, the holistic techniques, the other self-healing methods. I always return to EFT and GTT as these resonate with me more. I particularly like that EFT empowers individuals to free themselves from their physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual blocks without having to rely on a healthcare professional. Both EFT and GTT have also given me the tools to overcome my own anxiety and changing limiting beliefs. So if this sounds like a possibility, you may want to consider further check things out. This could be for you. This could be a big help in many different ways. So here's where you can go for more information, tinyurl.com, EFT certify.